Welcome to SAT School. In the last video, we checked eligibility to create online profile in Express Entry. If you have not watched that video, please click the I button above and watch that video. In this video, we try to know our score using Comprehensive Ranking System or CRS tool. You get score from skills, education, language ability, work experience, and other factors. The total score is 1200. It does not mean that you have to score 1200. The minimum CRS score in the latest draw in June 11, 2020 was 437. That means all the applicants who scored 437 or above got ITA, invitation to apply. This minimum score keeps changing in every draw, but most of the time it is around 445. First thing first, go to Google and type CRS tools. Click on the first link. This is the official website of Government of Canada. Here you can see the selection factors and when to use this CRS tool. Now let's get started. Your marital status. If your spouse is PR or citizen of Canada, will your spouse or partner coming with you to Canada? Your age, your highest level of education, any Canadian degree, your official language test, score in each band, select if any other language test taken, work experience in Canada, work experience outside Canada, any certificate or qualification from Canadian province, any job offer, if you have any nomination certificate, if your spouse or you have close relatives in Canada, highest level of education for your spouse, any work experience in Canada for your spouse, any language test taken by your spouse, scores for your language test for your spouse, now let's calculate your score. Your total grand score is 352. The score may be different from this as you enter your personal information. Let's see how you can get the scores. You get score from your age, your level of education, official language, from your spouse factor, your spouse level of education, official language test, and so on. You can increase your score if you can have previous job experience in Canada, or you have studied in Canada, or any job offer from Canadian employers. But this may not be possible for everyone. In that case, you can improve your score by improving language ability. Now, let's try again. Now, I'm just selecting 7 for speaking, 8 for listening, 7 to 7.5 for reading, and 7 in writing. Let's calculate the score again. Now your score is 462. This is how language ability drastically change your score. If English is not your first language, this might be challenging for you. And again, if your score is way less than 440 points, do not get panic. There are a number of ways to get PR in Canada. You can try other ways as well. Express entry is one of them, but I have other videos where you can get idea on some provincial program to get PR in Canada. You can visit our channel SAT School, where you can find some more videos. This much for today. Thank you for watching video. I'll see you in next video, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Take care. Bye.